Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how I made 15,000 euros in one day with Google Shopping ads. Yes, you heard it correctly, 15,000 euros on one day, leveraging Google Shopping ads. I notice a lot of online gurus are always talking about what are the best Facebook strategies, what are the best TikTok strategies, but nobody is talking about Google Shopping ads. This is mostly because they don't even know that Google Shopping ads are a thing, that Google Shopping ads are even used by dropshippers. They don't even know that, but I do. For the last 2 years, I've been running all my dropshipping stores mostly on Google Shopping ads. I even have my own agency, Icarus agency, that runs Google Shopping ads for other dropshippers and other online brands. So I know a lot about Google Shopping. This is why I wanted to make this video and show you how I made 15,000 euros. So without further ado, let's take a deep dive into my laptop and check what's in there. So guys, as you can see, we're in my laptop and I have my Miro board here. This Miro link will be in the description so you can follow along. You can click all the links. If I share something, the board will be in the description. So how to make 15k a day with Google Ads dropshipping. It's very plain, simple. I've not gone into depth in this video because I want to outline the basic steps what Google Shopping is and how you can leverage this. So first of all, what are Google Shopping ads? Well, I made a screenshot. When you put in, for example, on Google women leather jacket, you will see all these images. These are all Google Shopping ads. As you can see, a lot of brands are in there. I just searched it without a VPN. I'm in Portugal and these were all the hits that I got. But I'm not selling in the US market. I'm not selling in the UK market. I'm selling mostly in the European market because I still think this is a very big blue ocean in the European market. A lot of people are copying Facebook ads from the US to, let's say, the Netherlands or Germany and are running the same product in there. Yes, this can work, but nobody is using Google Shopping ads. So what I do, I take that product onto my Google Shopping ads store and I will run Google ads to that product. So I took here my VPN, and my VPN I did put in, you guys cannot see it right now, but I did put in women's sandal, and if you do that, you will see a lot of products, as you guys can see. But the way of what I do is that I'm trying to find the dropshippers, and I instantly found them because these are all brands, but I found this one. So if I click on it, you will see this is typical dropshipper. These are like typical dropshipping sandals, all dropshipping products, as you guys can see. Very, very easy. And if we click around, I see this one as well, this one as well. This is also dropshipper. Yep, this is also dropshipper. $29.95. So you can see in the Netherlands, people are leveraging a little bit Google Shopping ads, but still not as much as I showed you in the screenshot of the Miro board, because these are all brands like Diesel, Leather Cult, here it is, About You, Temu, all these brands. So it's in the US market, it's maybe a little bit harder to get your product between these brands, but in the European market, it's pretty easy. And that's what I exactly did. So if we zoom out, what is the difference between Google Shopping versus Meta and TikTok ads? What I've drawn here is very simple. You have buying intent on Google and you have impulse buys on Facebook and TikTok. On Facebook and TikTok, people are endlessly scrolling through social media, just checking out what their friends are doing, what their family are doing, and are there to connect. So if they see an advertisement, they are not ready to buy. They will skip your advertisement, or maybe you have a great advertisement and you will hook them in and they will stop and they will watch your advertisement. But this is the very hard part about TikTok and Facebook. You need to hook them in. You need to make sure that they are ready to buy, but they are on our social media. With Google, it's different. Google makes sure that your store will only have visitors for people that are looking for the product. So if you're looking for a leather jacket, you put in Google leather jacket and you can advertise this leather jacket. So people will see the product, as you guys can see. You see the product, you see the price, you see if it's in sale. So people already know what it is about, how much it's costing them, and they just want to know, okay, what is the shipping time? They want to know maybe some details. But they already know the big part, and that's the price, that's the offer. So when they land on your page, they know what they want to buy. So what are the main advantages of Google Shopping? Well, first of all, less competition. As I guys told you, nobody's talking about Google Shopping ads. I even searched it on YouTube with Google Shopping Dropshipping. Not a lot of people are talking about it. Yeah, there's not a lot of competition. The second one is you pay per click, not by impression. And this is very good from Google. I hate it, of course, that you burn a lot of money on Facebook. If your product does not work, you have spent a lot of money and you did not get any clicks or you did not get any sales. With Google, it's the other way around. If you test your product, you will get impressions, but if you don't get clicks from this impression, Google does not charge you. So a lot of people will see your advertisement, but when they don't click, you don't get charged. Once they click on the ad, you get a click. That's where you get charged by Google. Your CPCs are around 50 till 60 cents on Google. So you will get charged 60 cents for this click. Very, very easy to do. And the number 3 is, of course, you have the high buying intent. A lot of people are still leveraging Facebook and TikTok ads with low buying intent, but Google Shopping has a high buying intent. People are looking to buy. So these are the 3 main benefits. Let's take a look about revenue and the ad spend. So here you guys see the store, and as you guys can see, on the 7th of April, we made close to 15K. So 14.8K, let's say 15K. Don't watch the online store conversion. As you guys can see, it's not correct. I don't know what's happening with Shopify, but Shopify has a lot of bugs lately. I will refresh the page for you guys so you guys can see this is real. As you guys can see, on the 7th of April, we made 15K. If we go to the last 90 days, you guys can see we scaled up pretty quickly and pretty good. We started here with, let's see, 2.6K. We were running already, and we scaled slowly and very gradually up to 15K a day. And now we are hovering about 10K a day. In the next weekend, we will scale again. So this is what we did. If we go to the ads manager, as you guys can see, on the 7th of April, we did spent 6K in ad spend, and we made back 15K in the Sunday. We have a ROAS of 2.5. With ROAS of 2.5 with this store, it's selling a lot of fashion. We have a break-even ROAS of 1.7, 1.6. So you're making still 25% in profit. This is, like, let's say 3.5K in profit. 3.5K in profit without even doing anything, because Google is doing the main thing. Google is just one big campaign. We manage this big campaign. We put in all the products with some item groups, and that's what we did. If you guys want to learn more about Google Shopping, I will link in the description below one of my media buyers. He started a YouTube channel as well, so you guys can learn more about this as well. So I have one thing left to say, and that's a case study. This will be a new YouTube video that I want to make. And in this case study, I will talk about how I scaled my own dropshipping store to 1 million in sales last year. This was 2023. 1 million, as you guys can see, I did not do anything. This store, I think the managing was like 2 hours a week. So this was like an autopilot store. And I sold the store for 100,000 euros. As you guys can see, I did send this to the broker. It was all verified by the broker. The revenue was 1.1 million because we had refunds of 69K. That's why we see here 1.64 million. But as you guys can see, the total revenue was 1.1 million. The cost of goods were almost 400,000 euros. The ad spend was 340,000 euros. I paid 10% of the ad spend fee to the agency. I run an agency, and the agency has to be paid, and that's 10% of the ad spend. So it means we made 300K in profit before refunds. Then the refunds were deducted, and then we were left with 236,000 euros with profit. So it's 25% with a ROAS of 3, because as you guys can see, the ad spend was 340,000. Well, times 3 is 1.1 million. So with ROAS 3, we even managed to have a 25% profit margin after refunds, after everything. So if you guys want to see this case study, I've put this in a Loom video. You guys can click here on it, and you can click here open source, and it will open the Loom video. And in the Loom video, I have some attachments as well. So if you guys need some attachments, here it is in the summary, so you guys can check this out. Here I explain how I made this 100K in sale for the store, and how you guys can get started with dropshipping on Google Shopping as well. So if you guys want to start with Google Ads dropshipping but you don't know where to start, check this video, check the description there, and you will see how you can get started. So guys, first of all, this was my first time talking about Google Shopping Ads, so let me know what you guys think about this kind of videos. If you want to learn more about the Google Shopping site, I will make another video about this. And secondly, please click on the first link in the description. I have a free school community there where I teach how you can start with dropshipping. So if you want to learn how to make an online profitable business that will make you financial free and time free, please click on the link below and I will see you there. See you on the next one. Peace.